Welcome to this guided meditation with me, Maud Hurst, the founder of the mindfulness company Energy Rise. This meditation is all about positive energy. So find yourself a comfortable seated or lying down meditation position of your choice. You can have a wall to protect your back, or you can be seated on a chair, whatever feels good for you, and then find your stillness. Closing down your eyes, take a deep inhale. And exhale through an open mouth to soften. Closing down your mouth and coming into a regular breath to begin. Beginning to shift your focus inwards. Noticing how deep or how shallow your breath currently is. And notice how you're feeling emotionally, physically. Giving yourself an opportunity to switch off from everything happening in your external world and really begin to come into feeling, come into the present moment by following each breath as it rises and falls. And beginning now to deepen your breath, slowing down the pace of the breath in through the nose and out through the nose. And following each individual breath as it rises and falls, letting go of the previous breath and not thinking forward into the next breath. Just be present with this breath that you are now on. Allowing the entire pace of the body of the breath to slow down. And when we think of positivity, often we think that positivity comes from outside of us. But actually how we feel can be cultivated from within. So as you deepen your breath into the body, begin to bring your awareness down into the belly, softening the muscles. And as you inhale, you expand deep in the belly. And as you exhale, soften. Becoming curious, what do you feel in your belly in this moment? Are there emotions, physical sensations that you can pick up on? And beginning to set your awareness and your intention. With every inhale, you're inviting in more positivity, a deeper, more conscious breath. And as you exhale, let go of any negativity, any negative thoughts, anything that you're holding in the body that isn't serving you. Keep breathing with intention like this, inhaling positivity in. And exhaling any self-doubt away. Breathe in inner confidence. And exhale any self-doubt. Keep breathing like this, in to fill yourself up with positivity. And exhale to let go of any negative energy that you're holding. And begin to witness the shift in sensation around the stomach. Your solar plexus, just above your belly button, is the area of the body that you hold this inner wisdom, your gut instinct. So as you connect deep within yourself, connecting into this wisdom, feel that internal power, that internal confidence. Imagining a bright light at the very center of you, right at your core. Imagine this light is filled with positivity. And with every breath, it gets brighter and brighter. Moving through your entire body. Filling every inch, every cell with this positive light. Knowing that where your focus goes, energy flows. So the more we focus into positivity, imagining cultivating it from within, the more we create positivity. And as this light reaches the outside of your body, imagine it getting brighter, leaving the body. Your positivity now fills you entirely, and then out into the world around you. And as you breathe, just notice how the body is now feeling. Now that you've directed it to feel into positivity, what feels different for you inside your body in this moment? And then beginning to deepen your breath. Begin to let tiny movements into your fingers and your toes. Maybe moving your head slowly from side to side. And then bring the palms of your hands together, rubbing them to create heat. And then place your hands over your eyelids, soothing your eyes. Just being here for a moment. And then begin to let tiny bits of light in behind the hands as you adjust back into your space. And keeping this sense of positive energy with you. Thank you so much for joining in that meditation. I hope it has ignited some positive energy within you. I look forward to meditating with you soon.